There's a sound so loud and so deep that even NASA said, "We don't know what made this, and no, it's not a whale." In 1997, underwater microphones picked up a massive, low-frequency noise nicknamed the Bloop. It traveled thousands of miles across the Pacific, something only a creature larger than a blue whale or a massive geological event could create. But here's the crazy part. No ship saw anything, no submarine detected life, and no volcano erupted. The sound came from somewhere near Antarctica, one of the most unexplored places on Earth. Some scientists think it's ice cracking. Others believe it might be something we haven't discovered yet. If the unknown excites you more than the known, hit follow. We dive deeper than the ocean ever lets us.